finally, the results part. To be able to see the results of a student, you just go on the results here and you can view by student or you can view by question. So if I'm looking at Ella here, I can see that she submitted it once. I can see her latest attempt. I can see she hasn't received a grade yet, and that's because it's pending review. And remember, I put some open-ended questions and you need to go in and grade those. And then I can view her attempts of what she's taken. So now if I want to go in and score that one question, I can do it one of two ways. I can go into each individual student's view and edit, find that question on here, and here it is with a star, and I can go in here and just type in, I'm giving her full credit for that one, and then I'm going to save the changes. Save the changes is big. Or I can go view by question, and now I can go over here to view responses for the short answer essay, view the responses, and all of them should appear here. You could read them and then go in and enter and make sure you save the changes again. So that's how you can review. And then if we go back to save the changes, you'll notice that now, and if I go back to results, you'll notice that Ella now has a final score because I went in and made that one change that was there. I can go in and add points if I want for students, however you want to do it here, so I can also override this. So let's say I want to give her actually 4 points, save changes, and it will stay here too. So you can alter that score. It's not a given score. Now, just know though, if you had just done true, false, multiple choice, the ones that we put answers in, it will automatically score it for you and put it in your gradebook, and you don't have to do anything to it. It's only open-ended when you have to go in and for sure go in and do it, or if you want to alter any of the questions or scores on the ones that you said were right or wrong answers. So there's some statistic things up here. You can view stats. You can export everything out into an Excel spreadsheet if you want to play with the data a little bit more. If you go to view attempts by question, you can see the stats on each of the questions, how many answered different answers. If you go to the gradebook, because I put it on this one, I did put it in a category and didn't leave it ungraded, it will automatically, when you set it up, create a section or create a area in your gradebook to go in and have the grade dumped into. So for example, right here, if I look at Ella on that test, it automatically put that 4 that we gave her in here. I know that there's a submitted quiz that I can go back and take a look at if I want to, because as a little puzzle piece. I can add any comments in here that the parent or the student might see about that grade, because it has a little comment bubble here. And then there's the, if I want to clear that override that I did, and by override they mean when I went in and put a grade in that wasn't the original grade that was given. So that star, it could clear the override, or it could clear, remember when I changed it from a 3 to a 4. So that is how you can see the results of that assessment. And if I click on the top up there, it will take me to the results page.